If anyone can find out the truth about your father, it's TC. So go ask him or I will.
Didn't you want me to think things through? Let me think then. Damn.
You know, you're just as stubborn as my father.
And you and your pops got the same powers, right?
I mean, I guess. I'm kind of an upgrade, though. Black Lightning 2.0.
What if Chase is right? But if I take after my pops like you do yours, Earth-based powers.
Well, if that's true, it makes sense. But if you kill Jace, you'll never find out. She's not gonna tell you the truth anyway, just her own twisted version of it. So go talk to TC. Stop being stubborn.
TC, got a sec?
Yeah.
What you doing?
You know, keeping busy. It helps. With, well, you know.
Yeah, I do know. If you need anyone to talk to, I'm here. Everybody keeps saying you're dangerous, but I don't believe any of that. I know you never hurt me.
Thanks. But can you turn to the right? I want to grab that profile.
I need a favor, man.
To help you find your pops because Dr. Jason's a liar, right? Hey, sound travels pretty well in here, man. Yeah, you might want to be a little quieter.
Appreciate you, man.
Khalil? Khalil?
Oh, no. Hey, Khalil.
He's glitching again. Khalil?
Yeah, he's definitely glitching.
Okay, well, what are you waiting for? An invitation? Go in there and save him.
Yeah, come on.
Didn't I tell you you can't keep me here forever? I still have my mission. Kill the Pierce family. And when I get out of here, I'm gonna make you watch and listen as they scream, as they beg. I want you to watch her die.
Khalil, you're hurting me. Khalil, you're hurting me. Khalil, please.
No.
Khalil, please. Khalil, you're hurting me. Ah.